trade 25 years now, and with all the dealer management systems I've worked with, this is probably more of the user-friendly ones that we've got. Especially when it comes to managing the workshop side of things, you know, your work in progress, cash outstanding, debtors, creditors, all those type of things. You know, it's easy. You can pull a report quite easily to Excel, sort, filter, do what you need to do, which is quite exciting. Clocking issues on the system, obviously not. When it comes to the technicians, yes. So that's operating, unfortunately. But with a bit of coaching and exercise, you know, the oaks get into the habit of clocking on, clocking off, and doing what they need to do. Especially when it comes to the warranty side of things, you know, a lot of the OEMs require, obviously, when you've clocked in, how long the repair took, and so forth. Easily printable to attach, scan, mail off to the OEMs, and so quite easy to do. Big plus, going paperless, you know, ending up and printing 70 pages per job card.
Sure.
That's old age.
Yes,
We need to move with times, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Checking in on vehicles, creating videos when quoting customers.
Yes.
You can physically take a video, send it to the customer, so the customer need brakes, X, Y, and Z. This is how much it's going to cost. Here's the photo or the video. Happy days. He accepts it. You receive it, and off you go. So, House Plus, definitely. As soon as we can get it, we're on there. Easily usable, easily trainable. Dead straightforward. When it comes to reporting, you export to Excel and you can filter and do it. So if you've got a bit of Excel knowledge,
yes.
You can pretty much pull anything there, sort, filter, and do what you need to do. So makes life a lot easier for me. So, you know, I don't need to sit behind a computer the whole day and punch figures and whatever the story might be. So it's easy, you get in, do what you need to do, and the rest of the time you can do what I call MBWA, which is management by walking around.
Absolutely,
getting your ass on the floor, making sure the guys do their work. So.
No, definitely.
Number one, the work in progress updates.
Yes.
You know, it's system based. You know, anybody that's got access from the dealer principal to accountant to wherever can physically go into the job, click on it. There's a history note between parts, service, when the part is going to arrive, is the part here. If the part has arrived, they send us a message. Part has arrived, that's then our responsibility, obviously, to put the customer in. So it makes the managing of the vehicles on the floor a lot easier.
Yes.
Especially with your job progress, and you don't have service advisors running around in the shop the whole day trying to figure out what's going on. Log in, okay, Gert is busy on the vehicle, happy days, off we go. Phone your customer, vehicle's in the shop, we'll let you know if there's anything.